Director Vance, spending time with your team has been enlightening, to say the least. In clinical terms, they're a disaster. But their selfless dysfunction is ultimately why it works. It's clear to me we all react to life's challenges in different ways. Your people are no exception. Some fight death, and some embrace its solace. Some recognize their fate, and others do whatever is necessary to alter it. Sometimes we defy others' expectations, and occasionally we rise to meet them. But the constant is being true to ourselves. We do what we have to when we have to. We react for better or worse. It's why your team succeeds.
We need to talk.
Talk?
Why'd you go over my head?
I needed Commander Riggs' Yankee White file, and I didn't want to waste time.
Did you get it?
Not yet.
Next time you need something from the Secret Service, ask me. I'm the agent in charge in this case.
Who authorized you to give me this?
You know damn well who. You called him?
You couldn't have given this to me without his authorization.
What's your point?
Is that a no?
How would you like it if I went to your boss and asked for an autopsy report?
Amused. He'd tell you to come and ask me.
You wouldn't need his permission.
Nope.
For anything.
Well, maybe to go to the bathroom.
I'm not laughing.
I thought it was kind of funny.
Did you go over my head because I'm not a male agent?
Hey, when it comes to cutting red tape, I'm an equal opportunity offender.
I have my doubts. So know this. I earned my jockstrap years ago. You don't want to get into a pissing contest with me.
Hey, doesn't it leave you with a kind of empty feeling inside?